What it do, gang? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we are back with another one. Guys, if y'all know, we just mounted the Vic up on some 30-inch Morpheus Diablo rims. The car looks fantastic, man, but we're having an issue with 3 of the tires already. No, these rims wasn't brand new when I purchased them, but they still look great. The only issue that I'm having with these rims and tires is 3 of the tires are not trying to hold air. So it can either be 3 things. It can either be the valve stem, it can be the bead around the tire not sealed properly, or the tires can just be trash. Now, I doubt it if all 3 tires are just bad. So we do have 1 brand new tire on one of the rims. That's just how I bought them. And 3 used tires up on the rest of them. So that 1 brand new tire is holding air properly. No issue with that. But the other 3 tires, we're having an issue with tire pressure. Just as soon as I drive it around the city one day, come back the next day, all 3 tires are flat. So we're going up to my homeboy BK Wheel and Tire Super Center, and we're gonna see what he got to say about all 3 tires, whether I need to get 3 brand new tires or not. I mean, I might as well, but if I can still get a little wear and tear out of these other 3 tires, which they still have great tread pattern on them, then we're gonna do so and not waste that money at the time being. But guys, she's mounted up. I think she looks sick, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I mean, I feel like that the 28s look good on the car, but the 30s just bought out a little bit more for the taste and look that I was going for. Hopefully you guys like it and love it as well. But this is what we got. We got a brand new tire on the front. I'm gonna see if you guys can see the sticker. Yep, the sticker's still on the tire. That tire holds air just fine. This tire, as you can see, is pretty low. I just put air in it yesterday, and it's already got like a flat spot at the bottom, which you can tell it needs a little bit more air. It's supposed to be rounded off. Come around this side. This side is the same way. Needs air. And most definitely this front tire, because that's where the weight is. You guys can see that she's almost on the ground. And these are 30 series tires, so as tall as you see it up at the top there, she's supposed to be about the same height at the bottom. And never mind the paint on the inserts, guys. I will be redoing those. I went through a car wash the other day, and it just slapped all the paint off that I've done the night before. I went through one of those automated car washes. They got the brushes that spin and stuff. So, guys, we're gonna go ahead and fill these 3 tires up with air before we take it up there. Good rule of thumb, if you guys having any tire problems, you wanna go ahead and pump them up before you get them there to wherever that you're taking them, because you don't wanna have or you don't want to damage the tire even further, or create a flat spot or any kind of egg in your tire just from riding on the road and taking it to wherever you're taking it to. So we're gonna go ahead and fill them up real quick and head to my homeboy BK Wheel and Tire Super Center. Y'all check him out. Great shop, great guy. He got any kind of wheels, tires that you guys need, man. So yeah, two-time Moto be back, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we back at BK Wheel and Tire Super Center. Got the car in the air. We're about to check the 3 tires. Like I said, the passenger front tire is good. So we're about to make sure that the beads are good around the tire, make sure that the valve stem isn't leaking, and just make sure the tires overall some good. I mean, now that I look at it, the tread on, I believe it's this one, looks a little worn out on the outside, but I mean, it'll still do. This one over here, not bad. It's got a little wear on the outside, but it's not as bad as the other one. But eventually, I'll just get 3 brand new tires, whether it be today. I'm gonna see what they say about the tires that's on there, and let y'all know really what to look out for, so you can save yourself a little bit of money. You may not have to go out and buy brand new tires just because you feel like your tire's not holding air, and don't let nobody tell y'all that. Sometimes the bead around the tire, which is this here, is not sealing properly. around the tire, and if that's the case, then your tire will consistently leak air. So some things you can do, you can take a water bottle with a little soap or dish detergent in it, spray it around to see if you see any kind of air bubbles or leaks. It's best majority of the time to do it with the tire off and flat on the ground, so that you can see it bubble up. Because if you got the tire sitting up vertically, you're not gonna be able to see anything really bubble up. So it's best to do it with the tire off the car. I could have done it, but I like to spend money with these guys. I like to make some footage of other folks doing stuff to the car. And two, I just didn't feel like doing it today. So I just got off work not too long ago, so I just said, yeah, you know, I'll just bring it on up here. Put these guys to work, spend a little money with them. And then voila. So yeah, man, we're gonna get the verdict on it. I'll be right back with y'all. So gang, unfortunately, we got a separation on the tire. If you guys can see, it's bulged out. The tire separating from the rim at the seam here. So you guys can see it's bulged out right there as well. Yeah, so you can see it right here. That's real bad. So this tire is no good. Rim got a little bend in it, but hey, man. When you're running rims with skinny tires, you hit a pothole, it's gonna do that. That's not why the tire isn't holding air, but it's because this tire is separating. And when he sprayed in the inside, as you guys can see, it bubbled up all around the bead there. So instead of trying to fix this, a bad situation, and I go down the road and blow a tire, just gonna go ahead and order 3 brand new tires. But yeah, you guys can see it separating right there. Then it gets worse as you go around at some areas. Some areas it look fine, like this, that looks fine. Coming around this side here, you can just see it, man. So that's the deal with that. That's a lost cause. Yeah, guys, never play with your life like that when it comes to tires. Might as well do it right the first time, whether you gotta spend a little money or not. You end up saving money in the long run. Going down the road and blow a tire or hit a pothole, the tire explodes, and there goes the rim. There goes possibly my life, other lives on the road as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get 3 brand new tires. So then I have 4 brand new tires on this. Let them guys put these tires back on, or these rims back on, and then hopefully they'll have some tires by tomorrow or either sometime this week. But I ain't gonna rush it. I know I need it, so yeah, get me right. All right, gang, this is take 2 at BK Wheel and Tire Super Center. So we voted on getting 3 brand new tires. Simple fact, the other tires was so far gone. They had eggs in them, had little bubbles and stuff, and they wasn't holding air. So instead of me just trying to rig something up, knowing I gotta take the car down the road like that, we just went on ahead and got 3 brand new tires. And we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you these 3 tires. We got one right here. And we got the other 2 up here. As you guys can see, they are gold ways. Pretty good brand. All of this is running me around like $600 and some, which is not that bad. Car desperately needs it. Other than that, like I said, I really can't drive it like that with these tires on it. Having to put air in them before the day is over with. Just knowing that they're going low just by sitting there. So sticks with me, gang. And we'll bring it out, show you what the finished product look like. Getting my first tire mounted. That's my old tire off. Guys are getting it right. Got the car in the air. This the only rim that's still on here. It's still hanging on. As you guys see, she's brand new, brand spanking new. Still got the Worn off sticker on them. Gotta get these other two. And making sure that they got enough glue on the ends and making sure that everything is stripped off. It needs to be around the bead. And we're gonna mount them. Alright gang, so we back at the crib, man. Grass is freshly mowed. I actually did that this morning, so I'm kind of proud of it. It ain't been mowed since last season. So I decided to park the Vic in the yard, man, to show off or showcase the tires. The tires turned out really good. Drives really good. I may have to get another alignment since I went different wheels. A bigger wheel at that. Got a little minor shake in the steering wheel, but you know, that's alignment issues. Whenever you're going to different rim, different tires and stuff, you need to go and get it aligned again. And then I could tell with the 28s, I needed to go get it realigned as well. So, might have been because I'm hitting potholes and stuff like that. But yeah, she needs an alignment. But the tires look good. The tires are holding air. That's the main reason why we got them. Make sure y'all sub, man. Smash that like button. But yeah, gang, everything turned out well. Next thing we need to do is repaint those inserts on the wheels. And we may start on some interior work, or I may go and get the car painted again, man. I'm gonna go with another black. But I'm gonna get it wrapped right after that. I'm gonna get the whole car wrapped, and it's gonna be a whole different color. But I do want to get the black. I want to get the door jambs redone as well. As you guys can see, there's a lot of stuff that's just not done. Door jambs and stuff that needs to be touched up or whatever. But get all that stuff painted black, and then go with my wrap. As I told you guys before, man, my wrap is gonna be a crazy flip-flop color, but it's not gonna be anything fruity. I'm really not a fruity fan. A fruity car fan color or whatever a fruity color fan car or whatever, I don't know, but I'm just not that guy, man. So I like something that's clean, that when it do catch somebody's eye, then you know what I'm saying, he be like, dang, go on that joint clean, you know what I'm saying? I don't need no fruity colors to make my car stand out. I just wanted to look clean, look nice and presentable, you know, like a suit and tie, like a nice black suit and tie, like a gray suit and tie, you know what I'm saying? Boom, you know, that's all you need. But yeah, man, she's starting to stand out a lot more on the 30s. I like the way it's turning out. She mounted up. I appreciate y'all, man. Without y'all, none of this would be possible. But she's turning out to be some kind of a car, man. Some kind of a different car, I must say. But yeah, man, two-time Moto TV out. Make sure y'all smash that like button, man, and drop them comments if y'all got any questions about mounting up some 30s or whatever. I probably got the answer for you, because I definitely went through trials and tribulations with this, and I might can help you guys out. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all got any issues, any questions, or if y'all want to do it in the upcoming future, man. Hopefully this was inspiration for you guys to do it. And let's get it done, man. This is how it looks. Crown Vic on 30s. Squatting on them, sitting on them. Two-time Moto TV out. And until next time, peace.